Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are having a blessed morning as well as a beautiful day. It's always good to wake up and just be able to be blessed to live another day, okay? So, in today's video, I want to talk about one day rewards, and I want to go show you guys some payment proof that I got from one day rewards and just take you around the site, show you what it's about. Um, but for starters, I would like for you guys to welcome you to my channel. Dollars Make Sense, and on this channel, you'll get nothing more, nothing less than how to make money online. Um, if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Velvet Davis. I've been an online entrepreneur since 2014, and this is what I like doing. I like helping people make money online. I hope these videos have been a blessing to you guys and been very helpful because I enjoy making them as much as you guys enjoy watching them. And thank you for all those who have subscribed thus far. I'm going to be possibly thinking about putting together a training course on the stuff I know about Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram if you guys are interested. And don't worry, it's all free training. The training, it's going to be free marketing. You don't have to pay anything, but you guys can, I'll let you guys know when that's going to be in the works. I'll, you know, might possibly do like a Zoom or something and invite you guys to it, or just do it live. Okay, so I'll keep you guys updated on that. But for now, let's get into one day rewards. So if you're new to this channel, like the video, share it, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload videos. I try to post videos daily, so stay tuned for all my videos and stay tuned for that course as well. Okay, that training course. Okay, so this is one day rewards. It is a get paid to site. It tells you get paid to work online. So you get paid to take surveys, you get paid to do trial offers, you get paid to do clicks, you get paid to do surveys, to watch videos, sorry. Okay, so I'm going to take you guys to what I do on this site. Okay, so right now I have points that I'm going to convert. So let's see here. Okay, so I just converted my points, and it gives me 3 cents. Okay, so last night I was on this site for about maybe a minute, and I made $2. I cashed out $2 last night. Okay, so I want to show you the payment proof, but I want to talk a little bit about the site. I'll show you guys. So here is the main page here for like if you want to look at your members home, your account, your referrals. You can refer a member here. They have paid to click. They have offers, withdraw, and my balance is 3 cents. Okay. I have people who have signed up under me. 1, 2, 3, 4 people. Kudos to you guys. So for those of you that have signed up, pay close attention to this video so you can know what you can do on here. So I'm going to take you to the offer walls. I'm going to show you what I do. You can do whatever you want on this site, but this is what works for me and gets me the fast results. Add click wall and tap research. I say tap research is a survey platform, but all you do is go on there and you complete your profile, and they give out 2 cents per survey disqualification points. So if you complete the survey, you get the points. If you don't complete it and you get disqualified, you get 2 points, or even more per survey that you do. Okay. So what I do is I come over here to Add Click Wall. This is my daily routine on one day rewards. Okay. You guys can take the same if the website has the paid to click ads and tap research, you can take this routine on a different site. But for now, just with one day rewards, stick with this routine. And keep in mind, you can only log into one day rewards from your own personal internet connection. You can't log into it from the library because you'll get blocked. It won't let you even log in anymore, and you'll have to, go through a whole bunch of a headache just to get back in. So keep that in mind. You cannot log in to One Day Rewards from a proxy server, library. It has to be your own personal internet that you have from home. Okay. So I'm going to show you how the ad click wall works. You click on the title here. When the page is done loading, you'll click on the image. And the image looks like a hand holding up a card or a phone or a camera or something. So what just happened? Hold on one second. I didn't even click on anything. Sorry about that, you guys. Okay, so click on that. Once this bar loads all the way over here, it's going to say OK. When it says OK, that means you completed it. See where it says OK? So you're going to exit out of it. And what you're going to do is refresh the page. Now it won't show your rewards. Your tokens are basically like your points. Okay? So you just did a 1 cent, one point paid to click thing. So you're going to get that added over here. My advice to you guys is don't convert your tokens to cash until you have enough points to where it's like adds up to $1. Okay? See, it refreshed. So I should have 4 points. I should have at least 1 cent. See? I got 1 cent right here. That's how you do the paid to click the ads. I'm not going to show you the surveys, but I am going to show you what else I do, the tap research. You can go higher than $2. You guys can go up to $5 if you wish. I just chose to go to $2 because that's what I wanted to do. Okay? So once your tokens adds up to 100 tokens, that's $1. Okay? If it adds up to 200 tokens, that's $2. If it adds up to 300 tokens, that's $3. Okay? So if you go up to 100 tokens on here, that's $1. Don't forget that. Now you can get there with ad click wall. Tap research is what's going to get you there. You can get to $1 in one day. You can make cash out multiple times on this site with tap research alone. Okay, so I'm just going to click on tap research. I'm not going to do the surveys because I don't really. You guys know how to take surveys. So see here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. More is going to load. So look at this. 2 points if you disqualify from this one. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So all with these first surveys, you get 24 cents. If you disqualify from all of them, you get, most likely you're going to, because you won't have the demographics you're looking for. So, but the disqualification parts are what's going to really help you. Okay? So that's One Day Rewards. And I'm going to go ahead and leave the link to this channel, this site, if you guys decide that you want to sign up. Okay? So now I'm going to take you guys over to my PayPal account. So here we are on my PayPal account, you guys. This is my PayPal account. I'm going to refresh it so you guys can see I'm not lying to you. This is my PayPal account, okay? So as you see, my balance is $3.52. And right here, yesterday, December 9th, I received $2.50, okay? Cashed it out yesterday, and I received $2.50 today. I don't know what time it was when I received it. I just know I looked at my PayPal today, and I saw $2.53. So that's how much I received from One Day Rewards. So there's your proof. That's One Day Rewards does pay. And I will leave the link below if you guys are interested in signing up. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video. Take care.